More than 1 million people rely on the Highland Lakes and the Colorado River for their water, so conserving during the drought becomes even more important. Nora Malarkey is here to tell us about LCRA's new campaign called Water Smart to educate the public on conserving water. Nora, tell us about it.
Well, last spring we actually did some research, customer research, and found that most people want to conserve water. They think it's a good idea. But we also found that what really motivates customers to conserve water is to link it to saving money and also saving water for the future. So our Water Smart campaign is focusing our messages in that direction. Our campaign this fall is less water, more green, with an emphasis on irrigation.
A lot of times people just don't know how to take care of their lawns, and it just comes down to lack of education. So you guys are doing something really neat. Tell us what you're doing to get out into the community.
Yeah, you're absolutely right. We found that people don't know how to use their irrigation controller. They don't know how much to water. So we're going into the neighborhoods of Pflugerville and Lakeway this fall, and we have Team Water Smart knocking door to door and asking if they want to have a licensed irrigator come do a checkup. And so if so, the checkup will be looking at broken heads, misdirected heads, looking at high pressure areas and a lot of other water wasters, and then the irrigator will give them some tips on how to save water.
That's really exciting. Anything else to watch out for?
Watch out for some print ads that are in some local newspapers, and also a great radio spot that is running on 3 Austin area radio stations.
All right, and with that, we'll leave you with a sneak peek of the radio spot.
I used to be that guy. You know, the one who had to have the nicest yard on the block, no matter what the cost. And once I had my irrigation system installed, I just sat back and let it do its thing. No questions asked. But then I actually noticed my water bill. Yikes. I did some research, and did you know that irrigation systems can actually waste water? Sure, my yard was nice, but I was using a lot of water and spending a lot of green. I even had sprinkler heads that sprayed on the street and a small leak that caused water to puddle. So I went to watersmart.org and found all kinds of tips, including when to adjust my system and warning signs to look for. So now, I check my system each month. It's easy, and I've noticed a decrease in my monthly bill. My yard looks great and gallons of water aren't going down the drain. Now you could say I'm a less water, more green kind of guy. Conserving water helps all of Central Texas, especially those who will be taking over this yard in the future.
For more information and tips on how you can decrease water waste, go to watersmart.org. Water, it's worth every drop.